Hi there, this is Realtor Tanya Johnson with Tanya Company at Keller Williams Realty. Are you considering updating or remodeling your home? I wanted to share with you today which updates pay off and what doesn't, so stay tuned. Are you considering remodeling or updating your kitchen? A minor kitchen remodel is one of the best investments you can make in your home. Painting or resurfacing cabinets, updating countertops with quartz, and replacing outdated appliances will not only be appealing but also a good return when you go to sell. Doing a major kitchen remodel doesn't give you as high of a return on your investment, but you get to enjoy the use of your beautiful kitchen, which is important. Just know that you may not get everything back you spent. Adding a deck also gets a good return on investment. Most homeowners love using their decks. Improving curb appeal by replacing siding if needed and doing some landscaping also gets a good return on your investment. In-ground pools became very popular during COVID, but add a pool for your own enjoyment, but not for the return on investment. Pools can cost $100,000 to $200,000, and you don't necessarily increase the price. Of course, I love pools, but some buyers may not want a pool. Expanding the master suite or adding a master suite is another investment that should be done for your own personal enjoyment because you won't necessarily get a huge return on that. If you have any questions on renovating or updating your home or real estate in general, please don't hesitate to contact me at the number below. This is Realtor Tanya Johnson with Tanya & Company at Keller Williams Realty. Thank you.